Serious about my grill. Check this out. Woo! They're just dancing. They're next to the grill, protected.